Hi, thanks for watching my channel. I'm going to talk about change of name on a property or how to transfer title to a property. This is a very common thing that owners do. You may want to change the name on the property or on the title because there's a spelling error, or you changing your name to a title, a trust, or changing it to an LLC, or just transferring or adding your siblings or parents giving a gift to the children, etc. So there's a lot of reasons to transfer title or change name on the title. So one of the easiest way and one of the most common ways that owners change title or transfer title to the property is a form what they use is called the quit claim deed. It's a very simple one-page form. Obviously this is for Orange County, California. Depending on where you are, that may be changed, but you may want to check in your county or all that. So basically what you do is the grantor who's changing the name changes the name to the grantee. So you want to have the same name on your title currently, changing it to the next name, whether it's a spelling check or adding a sibling or adding another person on there. Once you fill out this form correctly and legally, the other thing that you really want to do correctly is that when you fill out the legal description, your APN number and street address, some of them have a long paragraph of the legal description, so you want to make sure that that is correct or exactly as it's on the current title. So just check on that. So it's a very easy process. Once you fill out the form, you can record it with the county recorder's office, and also assure that you're sending it to the new owner. Send the new owner, hand deliver it, or if you cannot do that, you want to mail it with a return receipt so you know that they received it. And also assure that it's been recorded, and that's highly recommended also. I'm going to give you some pointers on what could happen when you change title that you want to be cautious of. But before I do that, I wanted to thank you for watching this YouTube channel, and I also wanted to ask you for your support to subscribe to my channel as I put out new information about real estate updates and statistics on a weekly basis. So please go ahead and subscribe. By the way, I'm Mike Patel with First Team Real Estate right here in Anaheim Hills. So what are the things that you need to be cautious about when you change title or when you transfer title? Well, one of the things you want to be cautious about is that when you change title to a new name, you may lose the coverage from the title insurance, because usually the title insurance, the current owner is covered, and when you change the ownership, that may affect the title insurance. So you may want to check on that. And a good resource for checking on these issues are your title companies or your escrow companies. And feel free to contact me, make comments below, and I'll refer you to some escrow or title companies and attorneys should you need them. The other issue that this could create when you change title is that it could create a new tax implication, because you may own the property and you're taking tax deductions. Now you change the title. Maybe you've added your wife or husband and now you're married, so that may change the tax situation, or you added your brother or sister. So that's something you want to be cautious of. And one of the main concerns that you should have when you change title or giving the property to somebody else outright and just changing the title is that if you have any balance on your mortgage payment and you transfer the deed to somebody else, they own the property and you may not own the property, or you may own it in partnership, but the loan is just on your name. So that may have implications financially and under tax and interest deductions. So because of those implications, I would highly recommend that you talk to an experienced escrow officer or a title officer, or even call your attorney or tax accountants to make sure that when you transfer title, there's no issues come up later on when you decide to sell a home or some other issues come up. If you would like any resources or would like to find out about where to get this quit claim deed or your county recorder's office, I will put some resources in the link below, but feel free to make a comment or email me or contact me, and I'll be glad to give you some resources. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you subscribed.